Hey there, beauty! Today we'll be going over the removal process of your press-on nails. Removing your nails is easy and damage-free to your natural nails and press-ons. You will need a bowl of warm, soapy water, simple dish soap will do, and your cuticle stick. If your nails are stubborn, you can use cuticle oil or olive oil for a great solution. Submerge your nails in the water and wait for 10 to 15 minutes. While your press-ons are soaking, you can wiggle them on your fingers to help loosen the adhesive and allow the water to get underneath the nail. Check your nails after the soak and see if they are loose enough to remove. Gently lift the press-on from your natural nail using your cuticle stick. If there are any signs of resistance, keep soaking your nails or apply a cuticle oil under your press-ons to help encourage them. To remove any leftover sticky tab on your natural nail, use your cuticle stick to continue to lift it away, or apply some oil and work it off with your fingers. If the sticky tab is still attached to your press-on, use your cuticle stick to lift it off or let them soak for a few extra minutes. We suggest using the gold organza bag containing your prep material to keep your nails safe and scratch-free between uses. Be careful that your nails aren't in contact with the nail file. Any contact could cause scratching. Now that you've successfully removed and stored your BYN Beauty press-ons, apply cuticle oil and cream to lock in the extra moisture. We look forward to helping you apply your next set. Thanks for watching, and remember, always be unique.